Clear, guys? Done. Let's start the session. Right. So this today's class would be the last class. Last week. Okay. So this week would be the last week for you. This entire things. Just a minute. You have to press there directly. Can you see that power button? Done. Okay, guys. So this is our last week schedule. What are the last week schedule you are having? So in today's class, that is on Monday, we are having today we are going to discuss how to apply the filters, slicers, and how to calculate the new parameters, how to add the new columns, adding of new columns and everything. Parameter field means column. Okay, how to add the parameter field means that is nothing but calculated field. How to create the calculated field, parameter field, or which is also called as calculated. Within the Power BI, it is called as calculated field. Okay, which is nothing but column. Next, in today's class, we are going to discuss this. And in the tomorrow's class, we are going to discuss how to do the dashboard, how to create the dashboard on the clean data. Okay, what are the analysis we have observed? How to create the dashboard. Okay, that is we are going to take one new data set again separately, other than what are the orders data set we are working, that is Superstore data set. Other than Superstore data set, we are going to work with other data set. And Tuesday, and we are going to cover the Tuesday and dashboard. On the Wednesday, we are going to see the how to do the data cleaning in Tableau. Okay, how to do the data cleaning in the Tableau. So how to do the data cleaning in Tableau. And finally, okay, Tableau, followed by on Thursday, some advanced topics of SQL. Okay, advanced topics of SQL. What are the advanced topics are there, which are not related for data analyst role? Basically, data cleaning, we are not going to do in the SQL. Directly we'll extract the data, extract the raw data, and we'll do the data cleaning either in the Tableau or Power BI or in the Python. Generally, we'll not do the data cleaning in SQL. The reason behind that is there we have to write the queries. And here it is a tools. Queries are easy, tool is easy, means tool only will be easy. Always everyone will prefer the easy one. No one will prefer the difficult one. But still, there are some advanced topics are there. So we are going to cover these advanced topics on the Thursday, and on Friday, we will have some doubt discussions overall. What are the doubt discussions you are having from the overall syllabus? We can clear all your doubts. With this, the batch will be completed. Okay, this is the last. So what are the advanced topics of SQL are there and everything? And with this, all of them will be completed for you. Okay, now already earlier I have completed the mock interview. Now one more time. So if you are interested for mock interview and presentation, these two are, so sir, I have completed some projects, I want to discuss, I want to present to you, sir, or sir, can you take some mock interview for us? For these two, if you are interested, here I'm going to take for you this week mock interviews and presentation, not in the class time. This is apart from the class time. I will share you the one Google link. What is Google Meet? We are having the Google Meet, right? So I'm going to share you the Google Meet link. And once I share you this one, in this you can connect with my team and you can share to them. And they are going to do the mock interview for you. They are equal to HRs. In my company, they are equal to HRs. And these people are going to do for you the mock interview. Already I have completed in the class. At that time, some students has taken and some students has not taken. Now, who are the students are interested still for the mock interview? You can connect with my team on this one. Second, you can also have by mentor. In the lab, mentors are available now. You can ask any of the mentor to take one mock interview. They can take the mock interview. At the same time, you want me from my end, you want miss. Here we are going to share you the link. But the students, you have to tell me before itself which of the students are interested for mock interview or presentation. I can see here one student is interested for the offline for mock interview and presentation. It is one student or two students or 10 students, that is your choice. Who are interested for mock interview and presentation, I can share you and you can tell me what is the flexible time along with the date and time. Which are the date and time you are interested? Just you can mention me in the chat box. The online students, you can mention me the date and time. At the same time, offline students also, you can give me the date and time so that we are going to share you the link. At that link, at that time, you have to join. Okay, the time can be between from morning 8. Let's take 8 a.m. to evening 4 p.m. This is your pause time. In this entire 8 hours of time, you can choose any half an hour of your choice. Any half an hour. If you want to present something, at the same time you want mock interview also miss, you have to dedicate 1 hour of time. Half an hour for presentation, half an hour for interview. Okay. Whoever the students are interested, send a message in the chat box along with the date and time. Please add the date and time. Okay. Within these 5 days, offline student, as you also tell me what is the date and time so that I will share you the link. You can attend. Okay. So offline will be done by the mentor. By me means I will not be available now. I will be available only in the class timings, right? So again, it has to be done in the class time. That we'll discuss at the end then. Okay, but first we have to complete all these things. We cannot stop in between because this has to be completed. This week it has to be completed. Right? Now, done guys? Now, one of the student is saying that on 15th, Sapna, on 15th, by the time the batch will be completed, by this Friday, within the Friday, that is on 11th. Okay, again, it would be difficult for you to share the classroom link, right? I mean, Google Meet link, it will be difficult. Okay, before 11, who are the students are interested, please let me know. Done. Let's move on to the Tableau. Now, within the Tableau, okay, within the Tableau, done. Okay, Sapna, please write clearly 10th and time, everything. Not only Sapna guys, others also. Only Sapna has responded as of now in the chat box. If others are interested for your mock interview or for presentation means what are the project you have done, show it to me. And you are going to show and explain whatever the things you have done. Right guys? Done? If you want offline miss, we'll discuss after the class. How we can do that we'll discuss. Individually we'll discuss. Is that clear everyone? Now coming to today's class. Today's class is, so I please make a note of this one. The schedule, please everyone make a note. And tomorrow we are going to take one more new data set and we are going to create the dashboard. So dashboards or data analysis should be applied only on the clean data. Dashboards will not be applied on the unclean data. I can see here Ashwini. The name is Ashwini. Ashwini wants on 10th July. 10th July at 12 p.m. And Swapna selected 10th July. Okay. And 10th July at 9 a.m. IST. Okay, as of now, 2 students have selected the timings and I'm going to share you the link. Still, any other students are interested also, you can send me the date and time, which are you are interested. Right, guys? Now, so before moving on to the today's class, so as I've told you, data analysis is nothing but applying the various logical questions and observing the data. And while creating the logical questions, you are going to create the data based on the in terms of condition based, right? And univariate, bivariate, multivariate. These are the which are the analysis you are going to apply. So just one more time, I'm just trying to load one Excel sheet, that is Superstore data set. So in the last class, we have discussed, sir, in offline, can we take mock interview even after the course completion by the mentors? Yes, Pranay, you can, right? Done. You can. Okay. You can take by mentors. Done. Now, coming back. So here we are having the data set, and this data set where we are having the subcategories along with the says. So these are the various subcategories and says. Let me keep them in the horizontal. Okay. So if I'm keeping this one in the vertical, it is called as column chart. When I move this one into this one, it is called as bar chart. So now I'm having the bar chart with me and just I'm clicking on the entire view, and here just I'm observing the data. So for that, just I'm removing the grid lines. Grid lines are not required. Now, after removing the grid lines, now you are having something like this. Now here, just I want to apply the filtering. Different types of filtering I have to do. Okay, various filters I want to apply. Right? Right? Done. So this, what are the filtering is there? Okay, the filtering. Here, Ashwini and other students, again, guys, when we are entering into the technical, don't ask the non-technical questions. Subject, non-subject means one, any one. When I'm discussing this one, that one, if you ask, or that one, I'm discussing this one, if you ask, it will lead to the unnecessary confusion, because sequential order will give the clarity. Zigzag way always will give the confusion. And that is the way my brain was tuned. I will go always in the any one. Okay. Again, I'm saying, guys, here you want with the mentors. If you want to get the mock interview, or if you want to do the presentation, these two by mentors, if you want by mentors or by me or my team, me or my team. These are the two different options, by me or simply by my team. My team means it is not mentors, it is different. My company people. Okay. Now, two options are there. Now, if you want to do, okay, if you want to do by mentors, the mentor support will be available still, okay, till 15 days after the course. After the course, till 15 days, you can choose whichever the time you are interested by mock interview or presentation by the mentors. You can get the mentor support after 15 days after your completion of the course. Okay, course is completed on, okay, course will be completed on 11th, and by the mentors. Okay, if you want the mock interview or presentation, mock interview or presentation by mentors means it will be available till, okay, till 25th. Till 25th, you can have by mentors. By mentors. If you want this one means by mentors. 25th. Okay, mock interview or presentation. Your class recordings. What are the class recordings are there? Class recordings will be available. Okay, till 6 months. Means this will be available till 25th July, and these recordings will be available. What are your class recordings are available? This will be available from 6 months from now. Means literally 11th December or 11th November. Till that it will be available. Okay, your class recordings will be available till that time in your portal. What are the portal you are having? In that portal, your class recordings will be available till 11th. Mock interview or presentation support is given till 25th July by mentors. By mentors. If you want by me, if you want the same interviews or presentation by me or my team, me means my team, this will be available only till the 11th, till the last date. What? Okay, what are the last date of the class? Friday is the last date na? Till this. Till this. After Friday, I will not be available for you. Till this, I will be available. Okay. And other than mock interview, okay, class recordings and Google Drive. What are the Google Drive? In that, what are the notes is there? It will be available till lifetime. It is lifetime. Okay. Next, if you want to ask any questions to me, technical questions to me over mail, over the mail, technical related questions, subject related questions to me over the mail, over the mail. What is that mail is? srk.nareshit@gmail.com. You can ask this one also till lifetime. This support also I will give for you lifetime. You can ask those questions. Okay. Your company projects, your company project or your company assignment or company assessment. Sir, company has given this one, sir. I'm getting some doubts, sir. This company assessment, something you are having. This support also, support will be how many days? Means till not even 1 day. It will not be even 1 day. Okay, sir, I have forwarded my resume to one company, sir. Forwarded resume to company. Company has sent one task. I am having the doubt. I have doubt in that task. In that task means answer is support not even 1 day. Your company's work you have to do, not by us. We are not taking your interview. Okay, your interview is not taken by us. We are not going to take your interviews, or we are not going to support in the interviews or in the backend works or proxies. None of the things will be done by me. None of the things will be done by me. Okay, company has shared one project, sir. In the project, I'm getting the doubt, sir. Whether you will do my project or sir, I'll pay the money, miss. These stupid things I will not do. Is the point is clear? That is also called as proxy, which we will not do. Sir, experience certificate I want, sir. Whether you will provide the experience, that is fake experience, pay slips. Sir, I want about the fake experience, sir. Where I can get, sir. Means Whatever the support is there, I will not give even the support for 1 day or so, because I don't know. Answer is I don't know. Why I will not give is because I don't know. I can't provide the fake experience certificate. I don't know who will provide also. If you ask me the question who will provide also, I don't know. I'm not having even 1% knowledge on that. Points are clear? Everyone. Subject related questions you ask for me the lifetime. Notes you ask for me the lifetime. I will provide. Don't ask remaining wrong things to me in your entire lifetime. Clear? Yeah. Sir, sample interview questions I have discussed with you multiple times, right? This is the interview question. This is the interview question. I have discussed with you the multiple interview questions at the same time. One more time. In your Google Drive, I'm going to share you the sample interview questions, most common repeated questions in overall syllabus. Sample interview questions from overall syllabus. You want the sample questions means I can provide you the sample questions, around 100 plus questions I'll provide, and which will be in the Google Drive. Once it is entered into the Google Drive means automatically it will be for lifetime. Okay, I'll share. 100% I'll share. If possible, by tomorrow itself, before the course itself, I mean, last day, you can cross check everything. And after cross checking everything only, we'll delete. Yes, sample resumes. Sorry, I have not uploaded till now. I'm going to upload. Okay, sample resumes also will be uploaded in Google Drive, which will be available again for lifetime. Okay. Clear? Everyone. Sir, company people are asking experience only, sir. Without experience, they are not. We are not getting the job. Means they are in the market. Multiple people who has already got the job without keeping any kind of experience. You are applying for a wrong company by seeing the experience also. Who asked you to apply and who asked you to again check the fake experience? Don't apply for the companies who are asking the experience. First, don't apply for that. Don't apply. Don't think that these people are not calling you. Obviously, they'll not call you. Obviously, they'll not call you. Why to apply? Why to say that not calling? Apply only for the whichever you're related. Don't apply for the non-related one and don't say to me that they are not calling. Because you're trying your luck. Luck may favor, luck may not favor. Lucky games, luck only. Hard work games, hard work only. You're playing lucky game, hard work game. Hard work game is you ask me, sir, I have kept my hard work, sir, this one, but I'm not getting the final answer. Then okay. Sir, I'm trying the luck miss. Your luck is good miss, you'll get. Your luck is bad miss, you'll not get. What I have to do in that? Which one? Point is clear. Okay. And obviously, once the course was completed, you will get the this job support. I mean, job assistance. That is nothing but job links. What are the job links? It will be added in your Google Classroom. Automatically, it will be added. In Google Classroom, you are going to get. I will share you the all the job links which are available in the market. Okay, in Google Classroom. Okay, if company has given one task and you are getting that doubt in that task means I'm not going to give the support. You can get with the mentor. Mentors are supporting you miss, you can enjoy. I'm not the right person for that. Sir, same how you have to ask me the question. Really, it is a company question also. You should not say that Sir, this question was given by the company as a task, sir. Without saying this word, you ask as a doubt. Sir, this is the doubt, sir. Then how I can know it is a company's one? Then I don't know, na. Then I can answer directly, right? If you are saying this is a company related task, sir, means only my inner feeling says that I'm doing a wrong one. When something it says for me wrong one, I will never do that one. Student is asking as a doubt means I have to solve any doubt, right? Ask as a doubt. Sir, this is my doubt, sir. Simply you ask as a doubt. Don't say that, sir, I have forwarded, sir. Company people has given me, sir. Today evening I have to submit, sir. They're testing your knowledge or my knowledge. Your knowledge they are testing means how I can involve in your exam. That is equal to exam. In exam, you are asking me to copy. Literally, you are asking in the exam, show your answer sheet. I will write that like that. That is correct or wrong? In your school days, you have done miss without knowledge. You have done miss. Okay. Now also you'll do with knowledge or without knowledge. Okay. You can ask others. Arey, show me your paper. I will write directly answers like that. Whether are you going to ask like that in the examination hall? Then you are asking me, sir, this is the company's task, sir. I am having the doubt means literally that one only, na? They are keeping one exam for you. In the exam, you are asking me the doubt. What is this meaning? In that way, I'm understanding. If I'm understanding in a wrong way, miss, please tell me. Sir, you are understanding in a wrong way, sir. This is not that way. You have to understand in this way, miss. Convey that one. From my perspective, it is the way. I'm thinking from my perspective like that. Sir, tell me one thing. In exam, you will not show to others, sir. You will not show to others in the exam. Miss, 100%. 100%. I will not show. If I feel he is my friend. If I feel he is my enemy, miss, 100% I will show. For friend, I will never show. I will not show to my friend. My friend means I will never show. Obviously, once the exam was completed, he will fight with me. Arey, why you are not showing in the exam? Arey, this one, that one. Clearly, I will say, Arey, I want you have to learn the knowledge. I don't want you become as a dummy person. You are my friend. You are my friend, miss. I want you in a good position by getting the knowledge, not by copying. 100% I will say like this only. In my real life also, I will say like this only, everything. Whenever I feel he's my enemy, he has to become as a dummy. He should never learn anything. He always has to be fail in everything. He has to, without learning only, his life has to be ended. Then automatically I'll show everything so that he will not learn every time. He will always depends on me only. He'll become a dummy person. To my enemies, I'll show. My answers I'll show to my enemies, not to my friend. Now tell me, what I have to feel you? This is my logical thinking from my perspective. Again, I'm saying underline from my perspective. Okay. This is purely from my perspective. This is the way I have grown up. This is the way I have brought up. And this is the way I'm behaving. Is the point is clear? So please, this point to be noted is this one. At the last point, please note. Instead of saying that company task, ask your doubt. Multiple doubts you ask, 100 doubts you ask, I will solve. Silly doubts you ask, big level doubts you ask. What are the doubts? Guys, tell me from the day one, did I told choose this type of data set only? To anyone have told you choose this data set only? Did I told this website only download the data set? Did I told like that? Or this data sets only you have to do, I have told you like that? Or this domain only you have to do, I have told you? No, right? You only can choose infinite number of projects now. From that, you can ask any question also now. Points are clear. Everyone. Right? Everything is clear. Can I move on to the subject? Again, are you going to ask the question again? I have to come back here. Please ask me now itself. Once I move into the Tableau, again, don't ask the questions related to this. What are the doubts you are having? Please ask now. All the questions are clear. Right? Guys, again, I'm saying it is only from my perspective. If you feel some different logical thinking or if different logic you are applying, miss, please tell me from your logic, sir, this is the right one only, sir. So I want like this. You tell me anything, I will do. Except this one. This one really I don't know. Remaining things, at least I know I'm not interested. But this one I don't know only. First, I only don't know. I completely not having zero knowledge on this. Okay. At least I'm having some knowledge on this one. On this one, I'm having the knowledge. Whether I'm correct or wrong, that you decide. But from this, please don't ask even one silly question also, because really I don't know anything. Okay. I can't do anything in this. I know only one thing is what are the kind of experience I'm having to say directly this one only. Whether I may get the job instead of 1 month, 2 months later or so, I will wait for that one. Because I never want to get, I never want to cheat others and take the money. First one. Second thing is I don't want to have the tension when they are going to find me, whether they are going to check this one, that one. That tension should not be there in my mind. Third one, I whatever I know related to that only, my work pressure should be there. Without knowing, if I give the build up that I know this one, I know that one, miss, then they'll assign me so much of work. Then again, I only have to suffer. I want to enjoy my life. I don't want to keep in the pressure cooker under, don't want to sit under the pressure cooker. Not under, inside the pressure cooker, I don't want to sit particularly. I want to enjoy the life. Morning to evening, I have to do some work. And for that work, I have to get some money. With that money, I have to enjoy my life. That is only one I'm having. I'm not having the more greediness to get the more big amounts. How to cheat others. What are the knowledge I'm having? With that knowledge, what are the money I can get in the present market as of today? I can get the maximum amount with my knowledge. Saying the straightly what are the experience I have. Now tell me, guys, I'm working. You tell me. You only tell me now. Directly, I will ask this question to you only. From last 3 years, I'm working in Naresh IT. My date of joining in Naresh IT is 2021 June. Exactly 3 years completed. Not 3, 4. 4 years completed. Exactly, I'm working in the Naresh IT for 4 years. Last 4 years, I'm working in Naresh IT, where I have joined in the Naresh IT June 2021. If you want, you can check also, cross verify also. For me, no problem. Directly, I'm saying the truth. From 4 years, I'm working in Naresh IT. Okay. In Naresh IT, morning batches are there, evening batches are there. Literally, I'm the trainer, full-time trainer for Naresh IT. But not officially. But morning and evening, I'm doing the trainings only. Saturday, Sunday also, I will do the trainings only. More amount of trainings only I'm doing. Along with that, I'm doing the freelance projects. Means anyone gives some projects for me, I will do for that. It is not proxy. I required some kind of agreement. Means officially you have to give that data for me. So tomorrow with that data, if anyone raises a complaint, I will show this agreement and I will complete the work. It is not proxy. I'm not taking the data from unknown people silently. Okay. So it is freelance projects which I'm doing. Now I want to enter into the company. Tell me, guys. Now I want to enter into the company. Now tell me, according to you, should I keep the 4 years of experience as a fake experience and I should enter as a person in the company, or what I have to show this 4 years? Now you tell me what I have to show to me. You suggest me. what you are doing. If I have applied for the TCS, I applied for the TCS role only as project manager. They'll ask me, right? What is the work you are doing as of now? Tell me what I have to tell. What I have to tell. What you are doing, miss, what I have to tell. You tell me. In my case, what I have to tell. Last 4 years, this is my thing. Before to that, additional experience is there. Data analytics experience, data science experience. I'm having overall in terms of 8 years experience is there. Before 4 years in Naresh IT to before to that 4 years also. So overall 8 years experience I'm having. Now eight years of experience in data science, and I want to apply as a manager level role. Data science project manager level role. Now what I have to show this 4 years according to you? Who are the students are interested in the fake experience? You tell me. If really I apply also, if I apply also 100% with no doubt, I will say Naresh IT trainer only. Not only Naresh IT, I will say that I have worked as a freelance for multiple projects. I'm having my own company, I will say. At the same time, I will say for multiple organizations I have done and multiple students I have guided. As a manager level, I have guided multiple students only, I will project. Whatever I have done, that one only I will project. If they give the job means I will join. If they don't give the job also, for me not a problem. Is the point is clear? Whatever I'm having, I will literally show that one only. With my knowledge, I will project as a project level manager. In the project manager, DS project manager or DA project manager, what exactly he will do in the company. First, I will check that one. Whether that all those works by the project manager, what will be done, whether I can do or not, first I will cross verify myself. Yes, I'm having the feeling that I'm equal to project manager. And once I join as a really project manager in TCS also, I can fulfill the responsibilities. If I'm having that feeling means 100% I'll apply. And I'll project myself in that way also. I will say clearly with a confidence that I'm having the multiple experiences in dealing with the multiple projects. In these 4 years, I have dealt with the multiple end-to-end projects, more than 400 plus projects by various students. This much of experience will be there in the real-time data project manager. I'll project in that way. 100% I'll project in that way. With a confidence, I will project myself that these are the things. At the same time, as I have worked with the freelance projects, I know how to do with the client to client meetings. How to deliver entire project to the client also I know. 100% I'll project in that way. Though my work is this one also, I'll project in that way. But in the experience, I'll keep this one only. Point is clear, everyone. Because really I don't know how to bluff others by bringing the fake experience. Really, I don't know that one. If I lie also on my face only, it will be easily visible because while lying, I will laugh automatically. By default, it will come for me because in my inner feeling says that other person I'm cheating now. I'll feel myself as a great and I will laugh automatically. That is one of my weakness. Okay. In my case, really, this is in my case, guys. Is the points are clear? Everyone, still any doubts? So whatever the mock tests are available in the Google Drive, mock tests and everything, please check your question papers and it will be removed. Mock test will be removed from the Google Drive. Mock tests or assignments or tasks, whatever I have uploaded in the Google Drive now, that yeah, I'll share the answers. That is the reason I asked you to take the photos. Now I'll share the yes, done. Right? Everyone is clear? Everyone. Online students, please confirm. Any questions in the non-technical? Can I move on to the subject? Done. Now, so here I'm loading the same data set, which we call it as already from the last few days, we are working on the same data set, which is same superstore data set, which is sales related data set. Now, just I'm adding here subcategory and along with the sales. What are the subcategory and sales? And I'm just converting into the horizontal. So horizontal or vertical, choice is yours. Which one will be represented for you good way? That one. Choice is yours. And if you want in the descending order, just you are going to keep in the descending order or ascending order, and you are adding the label, something label like this. Okay. If you are interested in the vertical, you can show in the vertical. So here, then vertical for me, horizontal is looking good. Since it is looking good, I'm choosing this one. If this is looking good, I will choose this one. Okay. So here, for my comparison purpose, this is looking comparatively better. Okay. Now, again, what are the different subcategories are there? One, I'm going to choose in the one color, and this one is not required for me. Okay. Now, here I'm having this one, and this is also not required. So I'm going to hide the buttons, and this is also not required. So this one also I'm removing, but this is required. Side, whatever this one is there, I want this one. Okay. Now, this is the one. Now let us apply the filtering. So in the filtering, I'm going to select the subcategory into the filters. Till now, we have not discussed this filter plane. Now let us discuss the filter. So within the filter, you are having the general, wildcard, condition, top. So now I'm going to select only the, for example, I don't want all of them. Okay. So for I am going to select in terms of asterisk and along with the chairs, only these two or these three, and you are going to click on the apply. So only those three will be selected. So whichever the particular categories you are interested, you can select the categories. Other than these three you want, remaining other than these three, then click on the exclude. So total 17 categories are there. In the 17 categories, how many you have selected means 3 you have selected. Okay. Other than these three you want remaining means click on the exclude and click on the apply. Automatically now you are going to get excluded 3 out of 17. Means 3 are excluded, remaining 14 are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Total 14 will be available. Overall 17 categories are there. In the 17 categories, you want these three are excluding these three are whichever you want. You can choose. You want all of them. Click on the use all. Use all means all of them will be selected. Okay, here I'm going to click on the all. Click on the all. All include. All include. So and click on the apply. Automatically all will be included. You want to select any particular category or any two categories you don't want to select, deselect them and apply. Okay. So as per your requirement, you are going to select the data. Is the point is clear? This is called as general. General means just we are selecting the as per the requirement. In the Power BI also, just we are adding the in the filter, and within the filter how we are selecting the which category filter we want, which category filter we don't want, how we are selecting in the same way. Okay. Now I'm going to select like this and click on the apply and click on the OK. This is first one is called as general filtering. Okay, this is one type of filtering. It is general filtering. I'm going to save this file also. I'm going to save this file as, okay, filters in Tableau. What are the different filters are there? I'm just saving as a filters. Next, second one. Okay, I'm just creating a duplicate. Now within this, I want to clear the filters. What are the filters I have created? I don't want all the filters. Simply click on the clear filter. Everything will be cleared. All the filters will be cleared. So filter also removed automatically. Clear filter, or you can remove the filter. Okay. Second one is you can add the filter. For example, this one you are not selecting. These three are not selecting. Click on the apply. Click on the OK. Now, what are the filter you have applied it? You want to show to others because others don't know that you have applied these filter na. Then you have to click on here, show filter. Then it will show the filter here, which is also called as slicer for us. What are the filters are there? If you open the filters, it is equal to slicer. Okay. In our dashboard also, it will be automatically included. Automatically it comes into the dashboard. When you are bringing this particular plot, this one also will be brought into the dashboard. So automatically you are going to get the slicer in this way. The slicer will be added. Is the point is clear? Next. Okay, this is one way of filtering, which is general. Second way of filtering. Okay, show filter is clear now. And this one. Now, next, I'm applying the filter, and within the filter, I'm deselecting this and click on the apply. And here you want in all the worksheets, apply on the worksheets or only particularly only on this worksheet, you want to apply on the selected sheets. Selected sheets means sheet 1, sheet 2, sheet 3 like that, for which of the sheets you want. Or you want all the using the related to data sources means it applies to the all the data sheets. So in the Power BI also we know how to select on the overall and how to select on that one. In the Power BI there we are having the two options. Filter on this page, filter on the entire workbook. Two options will be available in the Power BI. How we are selecting the filter in the overall one. Similarly, we can select the entire filter on the overall. Select the filter on overall. Select the filter on the selected sheets. Is that clear? Next, coming to the next one, which is called as second type of filtering. What is the second type of filtering we are having, miss? Which is called as wildcard. Okay. So second one is called as wildcard. Wildcard means which starts with, which ends with, like that. So here I'm going to start with whichever is starting with the A. Okay, click on the apply. So whichever is having the contains with the A letter, only those will be. So these subcategories are having the A letter in them. Other categories are not having the A letter. Or I'm selecting the which is having the A letter. Click on that. So which are the categories starting with the A and ends with A. Click on the ends with A and click on this. So which are the subcategories are ending with the A? Only those categories will be selected. Right? So can you see here as series appliances ending with S, S, T, S, S, chairs, copiers, all of them, most of them are ending with the S, almost. And almost everything are ended with the S only. None of the category with the A. If you want to select with the starting with A category, click on the apply and click on this. So this is called as wildcard filtering. So by using the wildcards, you can do the filtering. This is called as wildcard filtering. The next one, next type of filtering. So just I'm applying one more time, duplicate of this. And here I'm removing the filter. What are the filter I have applied? Clear the filter. So automatically everything will be available. Now one more time, fresh type of filtering again I'm doing. Now while bringing the subcategory into the filters. Here, condition based now. Earlier it is wildcard, general completed. Now top end filtering. Now I'm going to select the top 5 records. Only top 5 records. So here I'm selecting only the top 5 based on the sales, sum of the sales. average sales are, minimum sales are, maximum sales are, whichever one. So I want to the sum of the sales and click on the top five products, top 5 subcategories. Okay. Earlier, one of the student has asked, sir, I want the top filtering. So top N filtering in the Power BI, we are having the top N filtering, right? Same logic here. Top 5 records based on the sum, or you want the based on the average. Top 5 based on the average sales. These are the top 5 based on the average sales. Is the point is clear? In the label also you have to represent. In the label also you have to keep the average. Then only average will be displayed. Okay. So otherwise it will not show the average. So here, see, I'm adding the sales within the label. So here I'm keeping the heading as average sales. What are the average sales? Similarly, here also I'm keeping the average sales. So automatically you are going to get in the order top 5. These are the top 5. Sir, other than top 5, let us see whether we have done correctly or not. Let us clear the filter. Now automatically you can see in the same order whatever you are having. Average sales, average everything. Okay. Sum of the sales, average sales. Is the point is clear? So you want to go with the average sales means select the average sales, and in the whatever you have selected here, that one only label also. Selecting average sales and label, you can't show the sum of the sales, right? Label also you have to show with respect to what are the average sales only is there. What are the value you are selecting here, that value only should be here also in the label also. Now here I'm bringing the subcategory. I want to select the subcategories which are top 5 subcategories. So top 5 subcategories based on the average sales, and click on the OK, and I'm going to get these are the top 5, top 5, top 10. You want sales wise, miss sales wise, you want in terms of, for example, I want to take the in terms of instead of sales, profit wise. So profit, select the profit, and you can select the sum of the profit. What are the top records which are made the, I mean top categories which are making the more amount of profit. Now, so here while displaying, if you have seen, observe clearly, when it is displaying, it is giving a, see, average sales it is showing. But what is the requirement? You require profit. So it has to show the sum of the profit. So here what you have to select? Instead of sales, what you have to select? Profit column you have to select. Where is the profit? This is the profit. Okay, sum of the profit. At the same time, you have to display the sum of the profit. And these are the top 5 records. I mean, top 5 subcategories. Can you see here? What are the numbers are visible here? That one only. But suddenly if you change instead of sum of the profit to, okay, if you change to average profit, here what are the numbers are visible, and here what are the X are there, it will be not having any relation. Here 817 will be there, here 56,000 will be there. What is 817? What is 56,000? Because X ticks are selected based on this one. Labels are selected based on this one. So your X ticks and labels should match, means what you have selected here, that one only you have to select here also. Then automatically your X ticks will match with the this one. Is the point is clear? Everyone? Understood this? Right? So this is the top N filtering. What I have explained just now is called as top N filtering. This is one type of filtering, using the general, using the wildcard, using the top N. Next, last type of filtering which we are having is, let me create one more time for this one, a duplicate record, I mean duplicate sheet. And here, let me remove the filter. Okay. Fresh, complete it is fresh. Overall, all of them are there. Now I want to apply the subcategory. Okay. Here condition based. I'm going to write the condition. Condition is what? Means the sum of the sales should be greater than minimum which are making the sales of war of 1 lakh sales. That one only I want to consider. Remaining things I don't want to consider. The sum of the sales are greater than or equal to. So greater than, where is greater than? Greater than or equal to 1 lakh. So whichever the categories are making the greater than 1 lakh sales, that one I'm selecting. This is called as condition based. Condition based. Okay, sir, for example, I want to have says, instead of says, if you want to have the other column, you can select which other column you are interested. Region. Region, you are going to select the region. Okay, here equal to will be there. And in the region, equal to only south. South means only south region will be selected. Okay, when region is equal to count, what are the south is there? You are going to select the south. Like that, you are going to separate the data. What are the data you are having? You can select the data based on the field name. Okay. So sum of the sales which are greater than 1000, 1 lakh. I'm going to apply. Now I want the sales which are making the more than 1 lakh but less than 3 lakhs. Means two conditions. More than 1 lakh, less than 3 lakhs. Means from appliances, bookcases, copiers, accessories, these, I don't want the chairs and phones. Okay, more than 1 lakh and less than 3 lakhs. In that case, I'm going to select minimum value and maximum value. I'm not going to select this one. I'm going to select in terms of this one. So the minimum value, here I'm going to give the minimum value. What are the minimum values there? I'm going to give the minimum value as 1 lakh. Okay, what are the minimum value is there? 1 lakh to maximum value of this much. So just you can select here which is having the more than 1 lakh and less than 3 lakhs. Or you can even apply by using the formula. What is the formula, miss? The sum of the sales. What is the sales you are having? That is sales. Okay, sales greater than 1 lakh. What are the sales you are having? More than or equal to 1 lakh. Okay. Next, what are the more than 1 lakh? And click on the apply. And it is saying that the formula should be aggregated. So it is only the sales column sum. You are going to apply the sum for that because it is the sum of the sales. Na? So apply the sum of the sales. Sum of the sales greater than or equal to 1 lakh. Now you can apply like this. Automatically you can get like this. Or at the same time, you can write which are less than 1 lakh. Right? By using the formula or by using here. And if you want to write the multiple conditions, you are going to write the end. Says greater than 1 lakh. Which are the says are greater than 1 lakh? Or sum of the says, which are the sum of the says are there? Sum of the says less than 3 lakhs. Okay, apply. Now you are going to get wherever the value is either the value should be greater than 1 lakh. Two conditions end. Na? Let me apply the end. Now, so whichever the categories are having the sales more than 1 lakh and less than 3 lakhs, those are selected. Okay, which satisfies both the requirement. And if you are having the sum of, instead of sales, sum of the profit. So you are taking the profit column. So profit column, sales should be more than 1 lakh. At the same time, profit is less than 0. Means sales are very high, but which are making the loss. I want to see the categories. So these categories are making in terms of high amount of sales. Sales price 1 lakh plus is there. But still they are making the loss. They are not giving the profit. So I want to observe the records which are making with respect to the sum of the sales. Okay, which are making the profit and loss. Now here I'm applying the clear the filter. Now here the sum of the sales is there, along with the profit also I'm adding in the label. Can you see? Here it is making the loss, and this is also making the loss. These two, can you see here? These two are making the loss, which are more than 1 lakh, but the profit is less than 0. Now I want to highlight this one. Okay, separately you want to highlight. In the colors, you know how to edit the colors. In the colors, I'm going to give particularly for the tables. I'm going to select the tables. Where are the tables are there? Where is the tables? Down. So for the table, I'm going to select the color which is dark red. Okay, and apply. Just I want to highlight this one with the dark red, or I want to highlight this one with the some other color like gray, light gray. Okay, so this one, this should be for me something special. This should be something special for me when compared to other things. This should be something special. Sir, for getting the something special than this best option, this is not the right option. What I'm going to do is, earlier I have selected subcategories in the colors. Now everything are in the blue only, right? Particularly this one I'll select. Now I'll go with the colors. Okay, here I'm going to give everything in terms of what are the different colors are there. Now this is selecting almost everything are getting selected. Now I want a particular one. For that particular one, what you have to do? You have to select the category into this one. Okay, now I'm going to highlight whichever is in the, let me choose like this. In the colors, first let me click on the colors, edit the colors, and here I'm going to choose the gray. Okay, assign palette. So now can you see almost everything are in the same way, particularly okay in this tables are making the loss for me, right? So table I will select particularly, and in that one I will select with a red color, and see this one was highlighted. Okay, remaining all of them are in one type. This one is in one type. So this one, and next which is negative still, that is bookcases. I'll select the bookcases also, and I will select the dark red, and similarly supplies. I'll select the supplies also, and I'll keep in the dark red. This is my requirement. So which are making the loss? Is the point is clear, everyone? So like that you can highlight whichever are making the loss. That particular one you can highlight. These are having the sales price very high, but loss wise. Now instead of here some of the sales, directly you can take the profit itself. Then automatically you'll get the whichever is negative, that you are going to get in this way. And if you represent this one, this is the better way of representation. And that too, if you are showing in the ascending or descending order, which is making the huge loss also, you can show. Is the point is clear, everyone? Instead of showing the sum of the sales, focusing on the sum of the sales, instead of focusing on the sum of the sales, focus on the sum loss, that is on the profit column. Clear, guys? So now you understood the general, and with respect to wildcard, top n, and followed by conditional based. You can do the conditional based filtering. You can apply the condition as per your choice. And that too, when you are bringing the condition here in the filters, you can apply after clicking on the apply, whichever you are interested. That is wildcard, or this one, or this one, or this one. Okay, here I'm showing the, okay, not top. I don't want the top. I want in the profit wise, which are making the loss. I want to show clearly which are making the loss. So for that, I'm going to select here less than 0. So I'm going to highlight only these three, which are making the loss. Sales wise high is there, but they are making the loss. I want to highlight like this. Is the point is clear? Sir, why it is showing in the reverse way means because number is minus now. Here you are having the sum of the profit. Instead of sum of the profit, you keep the sum of the sales. Then you'll get the positive value means top side, negative value means bottom side. Is the point is clear? Which side you want, that one you select as per your choice. Clear, guys? And you are going to select the condition. While selecting the condition also, you can apply on a single sheet or you can apply on the multiple sheets. Okay. Now you know what is meant by measure. You know what is attribute, what is dimension, how to apply the on the worksheets, clear filter, and show filters. What are the show filters are there? You can show the filter and whatever the condition you applied, that condition also will be visible here. Okay. If you have done based on the condition means condition also visible. And here if you click on the show highlighter, it will show the highlight, which is the subcategory. Means you can select whichever you want, that one will be selected and remaining things will not be selected. You want to highlight particularly tables, you click on the this one, which is called as tables, then tables only will be highlighted. Select highlighted means when you select that one, that particular bar will be highlighted. Any particular bar or anything you want to highlight something, you are going to choose that one, highlighter. No need of highlighter means just deselect the show highlighter. That option will be deselected. Is that clear, everyone? How to do the filtering is clear, guys? Okay. Now, coming to the last one, how to work on the next one is called as, if anyone has any questions, please ask. What are the questions you are having? Everyone? So total 4 types of filtering is there: general, conditional, wildcard, and top N. Total 4 types of filtering are available. If anyone has any questions, please ask. What are the questions you are having? Online students, everyone? Yeah, same way. Here itself, in the top N filtering itself, okay, here you can have the bottom also. Top is there, bottom is there. In this only top and bottom, both will be available. Clear, guys? Yeah, others also please respond, guys. Everyone? Same logic which we have done in the Power BI also. And what are the project you have done in the Power BI, same thing you can do. Slicer, if you want miss, just you have to do only one thing called as, for example, I want the slicer of region. What I have to do for the slicer of the region miss, bring the region here. After bringing the region, click on the all, click on the apply. Okay. Now here you have to click on the show filter. Show filter means this is nothing but slicer for us. In the slicer, you can remove the whichever you are interested and whichever you are interested to add, you can add. Choice is yours. Is the points are clear, guys? Slicer means nothing but show the filter. What are the filter is there? Showing the filter is called as slicer. Clear? If you are having any questions, please ask. That is end of the session for today. And tomorrow we are going to do the dashboard. Yes. Everyone. Tomorrow we'll take one new data set and we'll create the dashboard. So till now we have what are the sheets we have executed now. We have to click on the this one, dashboard. In the dashboard, what are the sheets you have done, right? Every sheet will be available. Just you have to bring like this and you have to do the adjustments. Just move up and down. Slightly you're going to move the up and down and you can add all your sheets one by one. What are the sheets are available? You are going to add. So we are going to add the sheets like this. First sheet, second sheet, third sheet. Okay, third sheet like this. Now the sheet size is small. How to increase the sheet size also? In the dashboard, we are having the layout. In the layout, we are going to increase the size. Okay, we'll discuss all these things in the tomorrow's class. Okay, how to increase the layout size and everything we'll discuss. If you are having any question, what are the question you are having, please. Sir, I'm getting the Canada in my map with the states in the data set. Yes, here for some of the people, when you are selecting the this one state, okay, when you are selecting the state in the detail, okay, here side you'll get one error. Red color error will be available. Click on that. Once you click on that, it will show the country name. What are the country you have selected? Okay, here just you can check in the format also. In the format, I'm not getting any error. Okay, just without getting any error, directly you are getting in terms of that one. Canada map you are getting automatically. You are not getting any error, but directly you are getting the Canada map, right? You are saying that one. Sapna, in your case, you have to share your screen because exactly exactly why, what is the reason for you? We can't say that one. So it is better to share your screen. Okay, done. Still any questions, guys? So I'm just uploading this one also in your data set. I mean, I'm going to share you this one also. Filters, and everyone are clear with the filters now. So if filters, slices, maps, everything are, I mean, maps, plots, everything are clear means almost everything was completed. Just you have to create one dashboard. So we are going to create the dashboard. Done. If no questions, you can leave. We'll continue tomorrow from here. Yeah, Gnan Prakash, I understood your question. Today, sorry, not today. So some of the other students also has given the same doubt. So let me check. I'll check today what is the other option, and I'll try to create one new account, and I'll show you in the tomorrow's class, that one. Yeah, some of the students has shared the same doubt. Let me cross check once. Done. Sure. Done, guys. If no questions, you can leave. If you're having any questions, please ask what are the questions. Okay, once I know the business problem, exactly I can answer. Because without knowing the business problem, how many columns you have involved or what are the things you have involved, I don't know. A data set and business problem, if what are the business problem you are thinking, na? Just you write that one only. Sir, these are the columns and the team I have analyzed. So what you have analyzed, that is the requirement of them, right? So according to your answer, create that question. That what are the question was, sir, this is the question they have given to me and this is the work I have done. Nice. Now that is the one. So what are the columns or what are the data set is there? First you share it to me today. Don't share me the answer. Only the data set and what are the things you have done. And when you are doing the presentation, I will also, after observing the entire data set, why you have not checked like this, I'll ask. Then if, sir, I have already checked, sir, but there is no much difference. So that is the reason I have not included. If you say the answer, miss, I'll be satisfied. If you say that, no, sorry, sir, I have not checked, I have to check now, miss, it is wrong. You should not say that I have to check this one. Always you should say, already we have done that observation also. Okay. 100% nice. No, exactly. Anything has to be added. How I can say now? Because I may think that only these are the columns, so you have completed everything. Unless I see the data set, how I can say? Okay. Once if you send, I can check and I can tell whether this is sufficient or not. Right? What are the dashboards or what are the work you are doing and you are uploading in the LinkedIn, just tag my name also so that it will be reached to me. And once I click on the like button, I'll click on the like, automatically it will be shared to the to my what are the people I have connected in the LinkedIn, to every person it will be automatically shared. So that it will be more number of people it will be shared among the data analyst and data science professionals. It will be shared automatically once you tag it to me. Surely once you tag it to me, the work is nice means obviously I click on the like button. Obviously. My LinkedIn account. Tomorrow I'll share it to you. In the class, I will share to every person. Okay, in the future, you can connect with me in the LinkedIn also and you can tag everything in the LinkedIn also. Don't share the data set never. This data set to me or in the LinkedIn. To me, you share.